Today we are taking a quick look. We're going to unbox the Lume Cube Panel Mini, a credit card sized portable adjustable bicolor LED light for content creation. This light has some amazing features packed in such a small format. 1% to 100% brightness adjustability. It's a full spectrum LED light with 3200 to 5600K color adjustability. When we open the box, we see that it comes with the light itself, a DSLR mini shoe mount, a USB-C charging cable, and a silicone white softening diffuser. There are 1/4-inch mounts on the bottom and side of the light. Removing the diffuser reveals the 60 LEDs. Underneath the diffuser, we see that the light also has a frosted lens for soft diffusion. On the side of the unit is a power button. Holding this button down for 2 seconds turns the light on. This extended time button push means your panel mini won't get turned on inside your bag accidentally. One of the great features of this tiny but powerful little unit. This is a great little light that if you shoot on the run, this is a must-have due to its form factor and functionality. Small but powerful little light, works great. The included accessories, it's a no-brainer.